a Japanese showerhead firm has unveiled the Mirai Ningen Sentakuki, or human washing machine of the future. This AI-powered pod looks like a futuristic capsule and can wash and dry a person in just 15 minutes. Instead of soap and scrubbing, it uses high-speed water jets and microscopic air bubbles that deeply clean the skin by removing dirt and oil. The pod also has sensors that monitor the user's vital signs and stress levels, adjusting water pressure and temperature for a customized wash. To enhance relaxation, it projects calming visuals inside the capsule, creating a spa-like experience. The machine was showcased at the 2025 Osaka Kansai Expo, with plans for mass production and future versions for both homes and hotels.